let's take a look together at question number 24. This is one of the brand new digital SAT questions, and it is a ridiculous geometry question, so we're going to have to see if we can get it right together. Triangles PQR and LMN are graphed in the XY plane. Triangle PQR has vertices PQ and R at 4, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5 respectively. I'm going to pause there and just draw this out because I know if I don't do that, it's going to get kind of difficult for me. So I know these are all in quadrant 1. We have a point at 4, 5, which I'm going to label P. It's important to label as you go. We have a point at 4, 7 that I'm going to label Q. And then we have a point at 6, 5, which I'm going to label R. I'm going to connect these as a triangle. So far, not too bad. What do I know about this triangle? I can see that the distance from Q to P is 2 because we go from 5 to 7 on the y-axis. From 4 to 6, it's 2 as well, and it's a right triangle. That means that this is a 45, 45, 90 isosceles right triangle, which means we have side lengths of x, x, and x root 2. This is always true of an isosceles right triangle. Now, we're going on. Triangle LM and N has vertices at 4, 5, so P is also L. 4, 7 plus K, which is M, and 6 plus K, 5, so this would be N. I can connect these, and I'm noticing that they have the same right angle in the exact same spot, but the triangle looks a little bit different. Now, let's think about the length from L to M. Well, the length from L to M is the 2, right, from Q to P is 2, plus that new value K, and the length from L to N is also 2 plus that new value K. That means no matter what the value of K is, LM will equal LN, which means it's once again an isosceles right triangle, right? It's a 45, 45, 90 right triangle. That means that these two triangles are similar and they both have angles of 90, 45, and 45. The measure of angle Q, which I can draw right here, is T. And I know that T is equal to 45. What's the measure of angle N? The measure of angle N is right here. And I know that that's also going to be 45. And now let's just plug in for T and see where I get 45. Well, 90 plus K, I don't know what K is, but I know that's not going to make any sense here because it's not going to give me 45. 90 minus 45 does give me 45. And since I don't know the value of K, I can't be A or B either. C is the only option here. Great work and happy studying.